guys, I'm back again with another sleek press wig from Outre. This time I have it in DRRED. As you guys may remember, a couple of videos back I reviewed the color 1 in this wig, and it's very nice. Same exact feeling I have for this wig. It is very pretty, and I just love the color of this one. This one is like a ombre with a little red. When I thought the red was going to be a little bit more vibrant, like really red, but it's more on a burgundy side to me. It seems a little bit more burgundy than anything else. Let me give you a close-up. So this is what it looks like inside under regular lighting. It seems to me, I really thought it was going to be like a bright red, but it's very nice nevertheless. I really love it. It is so pretty. The color is real nice. And they also have a burgundy version of it, so I guess it's going to be like a 2 or 3 shades darker than this one. So it's probably not going to be much of a difference, just a tad darker. But here's what the stock card looks like. Again, as you can see, the model has on like a 1B, I think. And here's what the inside of the wig would look like here. I also added a little powder and tweezed it a little bit so you guys can see it a little better. Let me come in. So it would look pretty good. It's already nice and flat, so if you braid your hair back down, it will even lay even flatter. And it's also a really stretchy cap, so if you happen to have a really big head, it wouldn't be a problem for you. But I already have a big head too, so it fit me very well, and it's very comfortable. But if your head is on the way smaller side, it may be a little bit shifty, so you might have to stick in some bobby pins in order for it to stay down, because it's a really stretchy cap. And as for the length, I'll say 22, 24, not too long. Well, that's long, but it's not really like super long, so which is good too. And the density of this wig isn't too much either, which is a great thing because you don't need all of that hair being all fat and all of that. So in terms of the cap construction, it has 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back with adjustable straps. I don't use the combs, and the adjustable straps always stay at the end for me. So this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. The color is on point, and it comes with a variety of different colors, which I would leave in the description bar below as always. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching my videos. I truly appreciate it. Before you leave this video, make sure and subscribe. Please do that. It will be greatly appreciated. And also don't forget to like, comment, and share this video as well. And follow me on all of my social media pages. Links are always in the description in every single video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.